Hello, my name is Sabia and today I'll be walking you through this approved used vehicle. This is the Volkswagen T-Roc Life 1.0 TSI 110 PS and it does have a full service history. It currently has around 7,998 miles on the clock with one previous owner, so you can be rest assured has been well maintained during its life cycle. It comes painted in the stunning pure white finish, which looks absolutely fantastic with a VW badge detailing in the front and the rear of the vehicle. And the power folding wing mirrors do fold in when locked to provide extra safety to the vehicle, ensuring we minimise the risk of damaging them in any way. And here we have our alloy wheels that really do complement the exterior finish very well while offering a very stylish look to the car. And as we access the boot, you'll notice we do have a fantastic and spacious boot size, a large enough to fit stuff like shopping bags or even a pram, and we have the additional storage space underneath there for a spare wheel or height. Following on, you'll notice this T-Roc really does have some lovely and well-maintained interior. The titanium black upholstery appears to make the car look very classy, and we have our ISO fixed points, armrests and cup holders at the back, which makes this car perfect for families. Accessing the front of the car directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed car filled with fantastic features, starting off with the driver's seat, which is fitted with an armrest, offering you and your passengers that relaxing driving experience. Now, making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip, offering that comfortable drive, and we have our automatic headlights there, ensuring that always on at their correct times, alongside the window controls on the driver's door handle, all easily accessible on the right hand side there. And once this fantastic car comes to life, we can now gain access to the dashboard display, where we can read key information here like our mileage whilst on the move, and we do have our assist system functions like the adaptive cruise, which helps you stay safe at a consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway. Over to the infotainment screen, we do have a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Heading to our App Connect, this offers the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and our MirrorLink, allowing us to access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music and Google Maps navigation. Now, we all love having a fun experience while driving, and the DAB radio keeps you entertained while you're on the move, as you have a wide range of stations to choose from to keep you busy while driving on those long distances. And with this stunning car, you do get your park pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the front and rear sensors ensure safety, especially when maneuvering out those busy places like shopping centres where parking can be really tight. And over to our climate controls, you'll notice we do have many options available here for you and your passengers to enjoy. And just below that, we have even more storage space and our USB-C type ports. And to finally finish this video off, we have our 6-speed manual gear changing right in the centre there. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved use warranty alongside 1 year's roadside assistance. For more information, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520 or inquire online now.